Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making a tinfoil boat. As you see, I have some tinfoil and I have some scissors. That's basically all you need for it. So let's get started. First, we cut up about this much. Wait, I'll first cut it, then I'll let you see. About this much tinfoil, let's get the camera, yes it can, about this much. Cut off that part, which I'll really quickly do. Don't play around with the scissors, please don't do that. So that's that piece. Then you fold it like this in half, so it's all even. Wait, let me do, okay, nothing. Do that so it's nice and fat. So great. Then we hold it like this, and bend one corner down. So it's like that. And then bend the other corner. Okay guys, undo that and do that really quickly. Okay, yeah, this, you fold it in half, like this, and then you see the open part. Then now, you fold this, and this, wait. So it's like this. And then the other side, do the same thing. And then just open it up. And you have a small boat. You can glue a little bit together, but that's not really necessary. And you can, as I like to call them, paper thread. Yeah, a large piece of tinfoil or paper, doesn't really matter. Or cement, doesn't really matter at all. I just call them paper threads because I like them, that name and box as well. So we have about this much, yeah, you can see. Then we fold it in half again. So this will be thick, but follow the process. Then we fold that in half again. Exactly, if you fold that in too. Now you have a perfect square. Now fold one part down and make a circle. Can be a small one, can be a big one, doesn't really matter. So yeah, you've been wondering 4 minutes, I'm so bored, but it won't be boring in the end, as you will see. Then you can write a face on it. BRB in 1 second. And I'm back. How much was that? Okay. Then you use your pen to draw a tiny face and a tongue. Yeah, so that's it. You can see the mouth, eye. Yeah, great. And then you can just put it in the boat. You can add an egg if you want in there. And now we go over. Wait a tiny second, please. You have your boat with your big tinfoil friend in it. Yeah, want to do something experimental, or should we just go rolling and just put an egg in there and see what we'll carry? Let's try an egg. I'm carrying you, but not the boat. So now we have our boat. We're going down. Please don't mind me. I'll put you over here. View of the sea. Mom! Mom! Wait a second. Mom! Mom! Nie możesz załatwić, co ja nичего не буду делать, но я просто положу в лодку.
Яйцо? А сырое?
Да.
А тебе зачем оно?
Что, ну как cargo.
А давайте в мячик. Может мячик?
Не, мам.
Именно яйцо?
Да.
А где ты сейчас это будешь делать? В зале?
Я пойду наверх в нашу ванну, налью воду в бассейн и потом положу это, хорошо? Okay, I am back. Let's go back. Sorry. And we're back in the room. Mom? I'm not that. Here, egg. I'm not verified yet, so I have to do it really quickly. And it's taken over 8 minutes yet. Now you put that in there. Now we go over. We'll go up, 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 beep, up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Don't mind me, just hold 1 second. Just the boat's already folding in. Yeah. So guys, we go in here. Wait 1 second. Here we go. Now we put it on. Quickly close that so it doesn't fall in. Now we put something. So the iPad can actually. Oh dang. Why is it that everything goes? Okay, so we have a quite heavy boat right here. And now we waste lots of beers and slowly fill it up. As you can see, it is filling up slowly but surely in there. So, and yeah, so it'll fill up quite soon, and we now quickly just float it like that. It fills up to an angle which we can trust, like this, or not. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. We nearly had a leak there. No, 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 no. Yeah, and it floats. It floats in the water. Yeah, I don't need to use something. Oh, damn. So, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.